So hello to all of you, wherever you may be, from the Juventus Stadium in the Alpine city of Turin. And our live game is Juventus against AC Milan. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
Here are the lineups we've just been given. There's the whistle, and here we go. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
A guy born to be a footballer, Luka Modric, always thinking about his next move due to the fact his technical ability is so strong.
What a wonderful goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
You've got to say, the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Milan didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? Plays a clever pass. Florenzi with a beautifully timed run. Comes sliding in. Oh, no question, that's a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Hoists it high. The referee's awarded a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card.
Well, he's asking for trouble, Peter, and with this urge to nibble away, I think the ref is spelling it out for him now. Yeah, he may feign to shoot and just play it into the box.
Going for goal! Saved only by poor finishing. Florenzi, Modric. Now the pass. Looks like a good ball through. It's on a plate. Looks to slip it through. Great challenge. Well played, he saw that coming. Driving on now, what can they conjure from here? Florenzi. Plays it out to the flank. Passes it through. Tries to locate someone up front. Rabiot, who scored inside the first 10 minutes to make it 1-0. Well positioned to make that interception. Tries a through ball, shapes the shoots. What about it? 2 up and threatening to pull clear. And that is stunning, just too hot to handle.
Oh, the contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
Juventus take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Rabiot. Cuts it out. Now the pass. The shot's on! Goal! Right back in the game! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Milan get themselves back into contention.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
Rabiot. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. He's got away with one there. Oh, that's great stuff from him.
I would agree. It's tremendous play. He's full of belief and imagination and hard to contain.
Tried to play it through.
Yeah, and the vision to get him through was all good, but the execution of the pass...
He certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. And the counter is on. He's made sure that that won't get through. Dinks one in. Away from immediate danger. Brings it forward. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Oh, good interception. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. He can get that clear. Passes it through. Turns and goes back. And the ball's come out! He has done it! He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, listen, last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
Juventus go 2 up and into a position of real strength.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Looks like a good ball through. Chance! Milan get it back again. Pumps it upfield. whistle goes for half-time.
Well, every time they've gone through the gears, Peter, they've looked like scoring. So provided they can stay well clear of the handbrake, they ought to be completely out of sight fairly soon.
Juventus are broadly in charge, but the contest is still alive at 3-1. Modric looks to slip it through. Now it's Florenzi. And play for a throw. Tries a through ball. He's gone for it! And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there. Well, you can sense they're really going for it now. This is gung-ho, and only a goal will do for them.
Boots it upfield. It's a loose ball. Passes it through. Keeper's got good distance on that. Gets it back. Modric. Lobs it in gently. Has a swing at it! Tried the volley, but no.
Well, to strike a volley requires exactly the right balance, and I think that's what maybe let him down there, Peter.
Goes long and forward. Now the cross. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Milan are keeping their men at arm's length here.
Yeah, I just think it's a conservative move to deny runners the opportunity of going beyond that rear guard.
Looks to dink one in. Needed a better pass there. Now the pass. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Rabiot. Modric. Looks like a good ball through. Great strike, but the keeper's equal to it. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Passes it through. Done very well to intervene. A move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Tries a through ball into the box. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, now that he's scored, this defence is on high alert whenever he goes anywhere near the ball.
Now the pass. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside.
Oh, it looked like a training ground drill that almost worked a treat, only for that flag to go up. He just went a tad early.
And he's made certain that won't get through. Gets it upfield. What a throw in. Plays it out to the wing. Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. Heads it! No, not the best of headers. To the last 5 minutes. Can he find a finish now? Goes for goal! They've managed to get it away. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Tries a long pass towards the front. Passes it through. It's gone out for a throw-in. Milan have a sub ready to come on.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Loftus-Cheek battles to win it back. Drilled in low. Referee's given a throw. Rabiot tries lifting it over. There is the final whistle. Juventus can be very happy with a job well done, an efficient win for which the players simply did enough. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Juventus made their intentions clear that nothing else but a win would do. These games are always tough, you know, it's not always about form, it's not always about class or style, it's about pride, and they showed loads of that. Their attitude was spot on today.
Just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin for joining us and to wish you a very good day.